This video is to guide on how to delete the main admin account in Windows 11. This process is crucial and should only be undertaken when you have a valid reason to remove the main admin account. This guide will ensure a smooth transition as we go through the necessary steps. Before we begin, let's identify the main admin account that you want to delete. This is an essential first step as we need to know which account we'll be working with. Access the control panel. Within the User Accounts window, you'll see an option labeled Manage Another Account. Click on this and you'll be presented with a list of user accounts on your computer. Now that you're making changes to your admin account, it's essential to have an alternative admin account in place. To create a new admin account, click on Add a new user in PC Settings. Reasons why it's advisable to create a new admin account before deleting the main admin account in Windows 11. Continuity and control. By creating a new admin account first, you ensure continuity in managing your system. This new admin account will act as your backup and safeguard your ability to control and configure your computer. First one is security and backup. It's a security best practice to have a backup admin account. In case anything goes wrong during the main admin account's deletion, you won't be locked out of your system. This new account can also serve as a safety net in case you forget any login credentials. Second one is troubleshooting. Having a secondary admin account is incredibly useful when you need to troubleshoot issues on your computer. If there are problems with the main admin account, the secondary account can be used to diagnose and repair the issues. Third one is access to important files. Creating a new admin account allows you to access and back up essential files stored in the main admin account. This way, you don't risk losing valuable data during the process of deleting the main admin account. Follow the prompts to create a new admin account, complete with a secure password. With a new admin account set up, we need to demote the main admin account to enable its removal. Return to the User Accounts window, select the main admin account, and click on Change the account type. In the following window, modify the account type from Administrator to Standard User. This reduction in privileges is a key step that makes it simpler to remove the account. With both accounts in place, return to the User Accounts window, select the main admin account you've just demoted, and click on Remove the account. In this video, I'm not going to delete my main account, but if you want to delete, then follow the steps I'm outlining. On deletion prompts you will be asked if you want to keep files or delete them. You will pick the one you wish. Then click Delete Account. The final step is to restart your PC. A restart ensures that all changes take effect seamlessly and allows you to log in using your new admin account without any issues. Remember to back up crucial data and proceed with caution when making significant changes to your system. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Stay in control of your digital world.